Good morning, students. Hello and welcome to another lecture of practical problem number 6. The partner is Satish and Pramod. Now these lectures are recording the adjustment, how to record the adjustment and how to tally the accounts, books of accounts. So first adjustment is the closing stock. The closing stock is two effects. First effect is trading account credit side. So first effects are recorded by closing stock and amount goes to outer column 15,400. This is the first effect, and second effect, another effect is balance sheet asset side closing stock and the amount is 15,400. This is the first adjustment. Now the second adjustment is outstanding wages and how to write the entry of outstanding wages. So wages account debit to outstanding wages. Remember things, a rule of debit and credit. L, I, C, A, E. Then minus, 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 plus, plus. Then plus, 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 minus, minus. So wages is the expenditure and expenditure is a debit side. So expenditure is the debit side is the increase. Okay. So increase the adjustment, add outstanding. And the amount is 500. So write the 500 and get out the total 1500. Then how to find the another effect is outstanding wages is the journal entry in the credit side. So outstanding wages is the liability and liability credit balance are the positive balance. So it means recorded in credit side. So liability. So liability positive balance are there. So record the transaction in liability side outstanding wages. This is the another effect 500. Now the third adjustments after the fifth adjustments. Now fourth adjustment and fifth, and after taking a third adjustment. So first fourth adjustment, goods of rupees 1,800 distributed as a free sample. So 1,800 goods are distributed. So goods distributed as a free sample. This is another income because a free sample, it means a product advertisement, and these advertisement given the benefit in future, so it's the income, and incomes are recorded in trading account credit side by goods distributed as free sample. Now the write whole words and the amount is 1,800. This is the future benefits and it is called recorded and trading account credit side. But at the time, at the present time, is the 1,800 rupees in our business loss, in our business expenses. So all our expenses are recorded in profit and loss account debit side. So record transaction to goods distributed as free sample, and the amount is 1,800. There are two effects of the adjustment. Now the fifth adjustments, goods of rupees 2,000 were sold. 2,000 goods, the amount of 2,000 goods are sold and delivered on 31st March 2019, but no entry passed in the books of account. So does not the entry passing in the books of accounts? So there are two effects. Firstly, recorded the entry in sales and is the extra sales. So now the record the transaction unrecorded sales. Unrecorded sales. The amount is 2,000 and outer column goes to amount 69,400. This is the first effect. Then another effect is, who is the person goods sold? Who is the person goods purchased on credit? The person is debtors, who has to purchase the goods on credit. Now the second effect is recorded on sundry debtors and unrecorded sales, and the amount is 2,000. Total amount is 42,000. Then after the fifth adjustments, remaining adjustments is 3. Create provision for bad debts of rupees 800. So bad debt transaction is less from sundry debtors, bad debts, and amount is 800. Now both are the transactions. Draw here and write last investment. The amount is 15,700 and the second transaction is I think closing stock. So now closing stock amount is 15,400. You can draw here. Now the next is remaining amount in 41,200. This is the asset effect. So that time asset is 42,000. Then present time assets is 41,200. It's a decrease in the asset, and decrease in the asset, that time another effect is profit and loss account debit side to bad debts, and amount is in the column 800. Now the last third adjustment remaining, maintain RDD 3% on sundry debtors. So maintain the RDD. So RDD maintain it means less RDD 3%. And now calculate 41,200 into 3 by 100. Then amount is 412 into 3. 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3, and 3 fours are 12. 1,236 is the amount, and record 1,236 and goes to outer column 39,964. 39,964. This is the first effect. And first is asset value is 41,200 and present asset value is 39,964. It's called 1,236 amount. It was a decrease, and decrease amount is the expenses. Now we record it in profit and loss account. Add RB in bracket new, and amount is 1,236, and these are the totals. Outer column 2,036. This is the effects of transaction. Now the close book. Books of account close are there. So firstly, close the books of trading account, and total it was trading account is 86,600. 86,600, and these are the total from this on a total of credit side. Now the balance is gross profit. Gross profit carried down, and the gross profit is 56,200. This is the first effect. Then second effect is the profit and loss account credit side by gross profit brought down. This is the carried down, then another brought down here. Then amount is same 56,200. Then another initial adjustments are there, 10% value. Okay. So initial adjustment after the effect of gross profit. How to solve 10% bank loan? The bank loan amount is 8,000. So bank loan and amount is 8,000, and loan is given 1st July 2018, and books are closed every year 31st March 2019. So books are closed 31st March 2019. The period goes to 1st July to 31st March is the 9 months. So interest we calculate 8,000 in 9 months. So rate of the loan is 10%. So now the here 10%, and the period goes to 1st July to 31st March is the 9 month. So interest is calculated on 9 months, and the amount is interest on loan is the 600. So interest on loan paid by the partners. So its the first effect is add interest, and interest amount is 600. Outer column 8,600. This is the first effect. In this time, balance sheet liability side, first loan amount is 8,000 and after loan amount is 8,600. That time liabilities are increased, and liability increase, that time expenses are increased. So second effect is profit and loss account debit side, interest on loan, and the amount is 600. Now the calculation, that time amount is 600. This is the initial adjustment, and after the initial adjustment, books are closed, profit and loss account. And profit and loss account total is the 59,200. This is the credit total. So write the debit side 59,200 as the same as per. The income is an increase on expenditure. Is a excess of income over the expenditure. That time balance is called net profit. And the partner name is Satish and Pramod, and should be divided into both the partners remaining amount, and the balance is 48,964. 48,964 is the balance, and after the calculate the balance, then next is divided in net profit in both of the partner in the ratio. The ratio does not given in the problem. That time ratio is as to Satish and Pramod. The ratio is does not given in the books, does not given in the problem. That time you have to assume the ratio 1:1. It means same, and the amount divided in this ratio, that time amount should be same here, 24,482. So how to calculate? 48,964. The Satish ratio 1, and both are the total denominator 1/2. That time balance is 24,482, and same as per Pramod. Instead the amount is 24,482. These are the profits, and profits are the included in balance sheet of capital balance. But this problem does not give the capital of the partner. So right here, capital Satish, capital Pramod, and add. This is the profit, net profit. Capital is not given in the problem, and amount is net profit 24,482, and outer column balance is 24,482. Same as per Pramod. Add net profit. The Pramod capital was not given. Then net profit is 24,482. Then outer column 24,482. And last, it will be total of the balance sheet. I think does not give the amount is first 39,964, then 15,700, then 15,400. This is the asset, and liabilities both are the total is 48,964. Then second 13,000. Then another second is 8,600, and last outstanding wages is 500. The both are the total. It's a liability and asset, and both are the total as same. So plus add this, 4 1 4, 6 are 6, 9 6 15, 15 plus 5 20, so goes to 2, 8 to 10, 10 18, 18 plus 3 21, so 1 here, 2 4 to 6 and 7, 71,064. Now here 4 6 9 7 is a 16, 16 plus 4 is a 20. Another 2 is here. So 9 to 11, 11 plus 5 16, 16 plus 5 is a 21. Then 1 is here, 2, another here, 3 to 5 6 and 7. The both are the total is same, 71,064, 71,064. Now the right here 71,064, 71,064. This is the total of the balance sheet and the close of the books. So thank you for everyone listen to the lecture. Thank you once again.